How to print boards in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to print board in Trello. So first of all, just simply open the Trello's official website, and after that just simply open your account while logging into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Trello account, in order to print board in the Trello account, all you have to do is just simply open the workspace you are working in. Just go to the board you want to print. So for example, I want to print this particular board right here, and from there just simply click on from the top right corner of the screen, and over here at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see the option called print, export and share. Just simply click on it, and if you want to print it, you just have to tap on print right there, and you can see that the entire board has come to these pages where you can select the size, font and layout of the print that you would want to take out. And once it is done, just simply connect your printer to your device and click on save, and after that just take out the print as per your choice. So this is basically how you will be able to print board in Trello. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.